Many parents today use white noise to help their baby sleep. You may have seen machines or apps that play steady sounds, like rainfall or a gentle fan. But is white noise really safe for your little one? And how should you use it properly? White noise can mimic the sounds your baby heard inside the womb. That constant whooshing environment makes newborns feel secure and can help them fall asleep faster. It also works as a sound barrier. Instead of being startled by barking dogs, loud traffic, or household noises, your baby can continue sleeping peacefully with a steady background sound. Many parents say that white noise becomes part of their bedtime routine, signaling to the baby that it's time to rest. However, there are some important safety concerns. Playing white noise too loudly or too close to your baby's crib may harm their hearing. Research suggests that sounds above 50 decibels, the level of a quiet conversation, could be risky if used for long periods. Another concern is dependency. If your baby always sleeps with white noise, they might struggle to fall asleep without it. This doesn't happen to every child, but it's something parents should keep in mind. To keep things safe, follow a few simple guidelines. First, keep the volume low, under 50 decibels. As a rule of thumb, if the sound feels comfortable for you sitting near the crib, it's safe for your baby. Second, place the machine at least 6 to 7 feet, or about 2 meters, away from the crib. Don't put it right next to your baby's head. Third, don't use it all day long. White noise is best for naps and nighttime sleep, but your baby also needs quiet time to learn and process natural sounds. And finally, choose a device designed for infants. Dedicated white noise machines are safer than phone apps or loud household devices. In summary, white noise can be a helpful tool for better baby sleep when used correctly. Keep the volume low, give your child quiet breaks, and use it only when needed. Safe sleep always comes first. For more baby health tips and detailed guides, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos.